Dirty bad mind, but me do so. Be a negative, you
just coming like an ordinary flow. It will.
You're right.
You understand me?
Tell you something.
Flow not do it, sir.
Just say flow.
Me and you know about flow.
Cat. You see one time flow, brother. One time flow when I live long when me come a road strange to me now. 5-6 days me in my bed can't blood child.
Yeah, me and you know what flow is like. You understand me? We know where the flow give to we. We know about the result.
Yeah, so till we get used to that flow, then you can't do it.
Can't do it nothing.
So here now, when me feel that way, then me know where it is.
And I love him and then go watch something too.
So poor me tell a man, say flow make me go doctor, you know.
Yeah,
I love them
we know
go
about flow, get flow
Flow
wicked
make
something,
me
brother.
reach the pipe place, you know.
Because when you have flow one thing, you don't want nothing for heat, you know. Everything in there, you take back, you know.
And it tastes fresh, your mouth not
Brother,
taste
yeah,
bad.
me telling
The
you,
fever the way give you, you know.
nothing.
You don't have no taste, you know, brother.
Weak when he left you.
Right.
So
here
poor me
and now.
telling you, brother, me not telling you no lie when me sit down here, so right now, brother, me telling you no lie. From because Canada and come back, flu is not affect me. Dead if I lie, me I tell you, the flu never affect me yet.
And you
Remember me.
you always have one bad cold when I
Down
I
to
come back from Canada with a worse one. Me catch up you up there, brother. Me
Yeah,
nah
see,
hide
and
you
that's
know.
the left cold sitting.
Alright, but me I telling you, say from that until now, me
No
no remember
symptom,
my
no
body
symptoms,
contract a bad
Years now,
flu
we not
like
flow,
that.
cat.
Flu sick me now, lick me down in a bed, send me
That's
all
the one
the
time we
doctor,
small,
you know.
man.
Not small,
Big?
big man
Yeah,
me
yeah.
I telling about.
What do you
Me
make
I
us
telling you,
some
say
go
God,
fast and
from
cement
me go do
off
so.
whole
Me
thing
no see
can
the
rain
problem
come
with
down.
flu again.
You come like
Me no hide no man.
rain and jump away, I mean, I tell you.
Brethren, we have everything we fit drink.
Yeah man.
When it come to roots and bush, me know every fucking one. Me you see, I me know enough bush, you know.
A pill, a bush, and use make pill, you know, so, and the
Oh, you
water
mean I
down,
want
the
make
water down, you know.
I want make medication.
Water down, so.
Roots and bush. And me know
Right now,
yo,
I want
me
to
know
send
fire
bush.
at your bush, you know.
Me want to send bush to America, Canada, England.
Me don't go and get
With
the
the
market
people them
feed.
drink.
Me just want to get somebody we
You
willing
understand me?
to
Yeah.
take it and we can send it.
Yeah, cause right now,
we can go look the license and something and get it go to where we don't go on the
me not
market
against,
out there.
me not against no market,
Oh, you
you know.
mean?
But me can't make enough pills stop sell.
Yeah, but we not fight, you know.
Me not against the market, but me can't make enough pills stop sell. Like for instance, then a pill used to heal this, so you have and me give you my remedy. I go stop use the pill.
Yeah, because you said it's better and you know, have a side effect.
So it's
Right.
not- me keep my remedy to myself.
And use
If
it
you
when me
come
sick.
amongst me,
As my friend
and
and
me
my family,
find out that
and me know
you
so
have
what do
the
you.
problem there,
Me can't
me
help
give
you.
the remedy.
Alright, let me go somewhere,
Yeah.
something scrape me, look at me now, have a look on you know, buy
Look
food, you
on
time to
what?
on the gun,
Then
you
me
know.
no know
Look here,
what.
anything do me,
Yeah.
me know which bush fi pick and when fi pick it.
You know if you
Yeah,
rub it and
yeah.
what you use.
That's the tactics in a
Yeah.
bush. You have to
Yeah,
know
man.
the time when fi pick it and how fi use it.
Yeah, man.
Bush and not something we use green.
No, sir.
You have to put it for dry and you can pick it at any
Anytime,
time.
it have to be dark night.
Alright,
I know about bush, man.
Yeah.
Bush or something
Right
like
now,
that.
man.
Everything.
Alright, you see green bush heavy, so when a boil it kind of give a bill, so you just make
Right
it
now-
drain
If
out.
it dry.
Yeah.
Right
Bush
now,
have
hear
to
me
dry.
I'll tell you something about me and a girl. I in a trouble, let me start my story.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Me have a
Hey,
girl
bro.
in my bed.
Mm-hmm.
And me tell myself, say, me want some tea.
Yeah.
But me go a road and me buy some milk and some something to come make some tea. But me come up on my yard and me look some roots. Like some roots to boil some tea. And when me boil my tea, you know, say such a man drink my tea and I tell me, say, you know, say, you put something like it.
You say, most one fuck you put in there.
I mean, such a man real old blood clot.
Yes, yeah, most one. Him don't know
Then
some
no feel
most
tea.
one fuck tea you
What you
make.
mean?
Are you
must want
telling
some
you
say.
boil it?
Yeah.
He must want some say you go
Right
boil it.
now, I'm ready to come from America anytime to come drink some of them tea again.
Yeah, cause them
Cause them
tea.
tea, they make him feel like him extra young.
Yeah, nature tea.
You see me, I say? Yeah, man,
And
sir.
where you boil,
Me
brother.
nah ask, brother.
Alright, you know, so one time me have my brethren, me and Kat and him used to work in high hills, you know.
Me not cut your books about daps. To be honest, that night there, me couldn't enough for mama.
Yes, cause mama hand out
Them
most
in
one
it done
fuck
already,
tea.
man.
Never enough.
Couldn't
in the
enough.
back is a tree. Yeah.
Nah lie, brother, man.
My brethren and Kat boil one tea one morning with their hills, you know, and bake dumpling, you know. We not put no oil in our pot, we just bake them dumpling, yeah. Yeah.
But remember, say one time few people on island put up and just
We
bake down.
bake it, man. You can bake too, man. Yeah, man, you can bake, man.
Tin out and
And
bake in the pot, man.
here it is where my brethren boil now. The man boil coconut root. The man boil mango bark. You know, you chip the mango skin. The man boil chili root. The man boil around 100 different something, you know, my youth. Strong back and some whole heap of something, you know, roots and something the man boil in one pot, you know. And you see, morning when we drink tea done, one of the girl we work with, we say, he want some of the tea. Anyway, we give him some tea. But in a midday, we find say that girl that can't do no work. And he can't sit down, he can't stand up, he can't lay down. Him just haunted. And I walk up and down one day. So, man, I say, what do you today make you not do no work? Anyway, we are sitting there and we can't figure out what do that girl there, you know. You know, when we check out into the whole day, we find out what are the tea where woman drink, Moji.
Yeah, man. Tea, man.
Two strong female daps. Could have killed him in a day, then I is the way. But you want strong picnic too, you know. In whole in tea, you know. Eh? All kind of something boil in there. Mango bark, coconut root,
They go up and stand with girl, you know.
sassy perilla, everything boil in one big pot and we make tea the man.
Make your Joe water. Yeah.
Nearly kill him.
Nearly dead.
Yeah, man.
I'm a fool. Yeah, man,
Kill
him run out
I
of
will
breath,
tell
man.
him so.
Yeah, man, just tell him something I want to hear. You understand me? Yeah, man, tell him something I want to hear, man.
Yeah, man, in drinking mango bark tea and in coconut
man,
root,
man.
man, and get strong in the bush there. You fuck, we couldn't manage him. We couldn't hold him in the bush there. Woman sweat, you fuck. No, man, we make him sit down at one place and cool off.
Yeah, man, now come like such a man when he eat the wheat cake, man.
Mm.
Strip self naked and come out, come ask if you not see such man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Come see,
Strip
man.
self naked, you know. And him no mad man, nothing no do him. Just wheat cake, he make
body,
today.
Skin in a fire.
Yes, how the blood clot do you, man? Such man go hide.
I can't take that eat there.
Like him know the result whether or gay.
You can't manage the result there.
Nah,
Kitchen
brother.
light up one too much
I
fire.
want him to squeeze him tight, you know.
Fuck if you hold him.
Yo, me saying, well, when I naked self, then idea they are squeeze, you know.
That bite him up.
Everybody
chain
will
to
go get
blood clot.
tight squeeze, you know.
So when a weekend you come out time, I want to tell him when do him
Them
say.
carry me and go put him for sleep in a sugar and water.
Some
Yeah.
sweet sugar and water and a nasty blood clot.
When he come out time, him tell us, say, such man, do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then did one, fuck such man.
Mash up such man.
Yeah.
Such man,
Yeah,
run
man.
go hide.
Such man, go hide.
So what you do for your cat?
No, take it
Me
down.
not prepare for this.
You prepare.
Now me know you
Can you
go,
do it, so you
me
know
know you
say-
go get on
you
the
know
prayer
you
and
come say you
miss
go do it, so you
Where the
prepare.
fuck me I go hide?
You know one bigger piece.
Man, I'm a bigger piece to get on here, yo.
I get on
Oh,
here.
yeah,
Two-time
me.
fee, my mom.
Yeah, man.
Papa, so pull up here for me.
See where you go, man. Get wicked, you know, brother.
When you start a race, man, you know, just go and run, man.
Yeah, man. You
Nah,
have to complete
man.
the journey,
Just
man.
complete the journey, brother.
Mm.
Yeah, man, I tell them boys that that's me day in the house with my girl. Me and him go in. Him eat him comfortable, him bed, him going go lie down in him bed. But I one room, I live it there. It's not no only pass space for you run up and down.
Just one.
One you go 10 by 10, because
Yeah,
the
bed.
room no big.
Yeah, and me have to sit down upon bed. Me sit down too.
Alright, me sit down up on me split mama lay down back on me, you know. Y'all crap me up and I draw me down, me can't get for bun me weed comfortable.
One thing, but you have on your charger.
Yeah, me a bun my weed car. Right now my weed just give me my vibes and I feel like me want.
Yeah.
You understand me? So you just need to give me some time let me smoke my weed. Yeah.
Yeah, watch
Crap
TV.
me up and the sun. Me tell him say just hold on till this blood clot you done. You hear? Me deal with you.
You tell him that or you say that in
Me
your mind?
tell him.
Oh,
So you just wait till this blood clot you done. You hear? Me deal with you.
That thing come for say you
Then
can't
I
wait, you
am
know.
mama
No,
can't
and you
wait
hold
for
up time
me,
with
me,
you
I want
know.
smoke.
Alright, mama can't wait, mama draw me down in a bed, mama do all type of something. Me tell him say you just wait till me done this blood clot, yeah, you hear? You think this is gonna take the whole night for done? This not take the whole night for done, no? Alright,
You have to say every minute, you know, cool weed every minute to put your foot for your body, you know.
alright, I burn me, I
Yeah,
burn
You
man.
can't
out.
sit down by yourself and smoke, you done quicker,
Nah,
calm
for
and
rush
wait.
me.
Alright, brother.
You understand?
Nobody rush me, man, cause when this blood clot, I don't know nothing.
You know it.
I know nothing new.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Strap him up.
Alright. So you just relax and go and sleep and think about this way off. You go face.
Man, daylight, man.
Yeah,
Say
man.
daylight up, what's the wall?
Pussy clot there, man. Yeah, man. So from that, me tell mama, say, me not get no more than tea there, you know. Nah, man.
Grab you up like puss too much.
Blood clot there, man. Me not get no more than tea there. You know,
not puss.
you go run me out, man.
Yeah,
You
man.
go more than me. I'm me alone for drink them rascals, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Nah, nothing to stiff and go drink something and grab you up.
Mama power up already, man. Me no need to hear them again, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, some man friend drink 2 drinks sitting in power, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm ready, you know.
In power up and ready, you know.
Yeah, man, me I go with girl in a god. And by girl reach her, I'm going to get him take off him clothes and dash them and give me, you know. Run gone in a bed.
Yes.
You know, if you ask how them there, show you, you know, man.
Brother,
Where you go up, go do? Go look something for eat and go do somebody for fuck around table all them blood clot. Pump phone and then something to eat. You don't know where you have to go up, go do, man? How you mean? You just know where you have to go up, go do, brother. Go just go
They
and...
start power up to find them dash clothes there, you know.
Hey, just go and go strap up, girls, while you go up, brother, man. You know that him want. And that I feeling some mama dash to you right there, son, you know, man. Mama run down up your fucking front of me. This I could have what tonight? This a new site. I get up many way for turn you on, you know. What happened to you, man? I'm ready to pussy clot, brother. Me can't wait for it.
Yeah, the far. Yeah, the too far tonight.